get a little bit of, oh my God, I'm sweating. I was like, good gracious, my AC so old. I'm used to my house being so cold. Looking everywhere in the house for the box fan. Top undies on cause I'm so hot, man. Oh, I'm frying, I'm not lying. No, seriously, I think I'm really dying. Had enough, grabbed my tools and I went outside. Try to fix it, who I'm kidding, man, I'm not that guy. Every time that my AC's broke, I almost died from a heat stroke. I feel like I'm passing out. I need to call my AC guy now because it's getting hot in here. Cause my AC won't blow. I am getting so hot because my AC is broken.
Chill Squad Air Conditioning, we beat the heat. For more information, visit our website, chillsquad.com, or just give us a call at 239-256-COOL-COOL. And remember, we are Chill Squad Air Conditioning, we beat the heat.